So the big picture for this lesson is percent equations. Now a percent equation is a lot like a percent proportion, just a different way to look at it. So we're going to use a percent equation to answer this equation right here. What percent of 45 is 30? But first I want to show you where the percent equation comes from. Remember, the percent proportion is over of equals percent over 100. Well, what you can do to make this equation is cross multiply, and you get 100 times is equals percent times the of. So then to finish the percent equation, you divide by 100. Bet you never thought you'd see words used in algebra, right? So what happens here, you get the is equals percent divided by 100. Now remember, the percent is like 44%. So what we do is we make this a decimal instead. So this becomes the unit percent times the of. So once again, instead of 44% divided by 100, this would just be 0.44 as the unit percent. So once again, to get this percent equation, basically you cross multiply the proportion and just rewrite it a different way. So the is equals the unit percent of. That's your percent equation. Let's try to apply it with this question here. We know the of, we know the is. We don't know the percent. So let's set this up. The is 30, and the percent we don't know. So I'm actually going to put x for the percent. And the of we know is 45. So to solve for the x, divide both sides by 45. 45 simplify out here. And we get x equals 30 divided by 45, which is, I'll get the calculator for that. So it's 0.66 repeating. Now remember, that's a unitized percent. If we want the actual percent, we need to change it into a per 100, so it's going to be 66.6% repeating. Put a bar over for repeating, or you can round it to 66.7%. So that's how you use the percent equation and where it comes from, and that's the big picture for this lesson.